Apple just dropped its most powerful iPad Pro yet, and while it may look the same, but it's packing a serious punch inside. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. The new iPad Pro is powered by Apple's cutting-edge M5 chip, making it the first iPad to jump ahead of the Mac in chip performance, a rare move from Apple. This iPad's available in the ultra-thin 11-inch in 5.3mm and 13-inch in just 5.1mm models. The tablet is keeping its sleek design and stunning Ultra Retina XDR display, but upgrades nearly everything else. The star of the show is the new M5 chip, which Apple claims is 3.5 times faster than the M4. But speed isn't the only story here. This chip is built for AI. With a 16-core neural engine, each GPU core now has a neural accelerator inside, setting the stage for on-device AI processing like we've never seen on an iPad. You can do next-level multitasking with faster creative workflows and AI-powered features, all running smoothly on iPad OS's 26's new desktop-style interface. Plus, with 150 GBs unified memory bandwidth and support for up to 2 TB of storage, it's a powerhouse that rivals laptops. That's not all, because connectivity gets an upgrade too. It'll support Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, Threads, and has an improved cellular performance thanks to Apple's new C1X and N1 chips. Price is where this iPad gets a hit, starting at $999 for 11 inches and $1,299 for 13 inches. It's not cheap, but you're getting a future-ready device. Apple's intelligent rollout isn't here, but this iPad is clearly built to handle it when it arrives. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just a tablet, it's a sleek and smart glimpse of Apple's AI-powered future. So, are you gonna get this iPad? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.